All right, everybody, it's Jay here again with another helpful tip. Today I'm here with red grapes, aka Raisins Rouges sans pépins biologiques, USDA organic. All we're doing today is showing you how to make your life a little bit easier, which is what I try to do by showing you what I do with my grapes. So with my grapes, when I bring them home, I pluck them all off the stem immediately because the stems are nice and thick and juicy and they're hard to tear. When you let the grapes sit on the stems, the little stems, they tend to shrivel up. And then when you pluck them off, when you pluck the grape off, they'll come off with that little stem. So pluck the grapes off of the stem in the bag. Then you can rinse off your grapes in your sink because the grape bag already has holes in them and it's going to drain. So that's it. Give it a couple of tosses around, agitate those grapes, get them nice and mad, and rinse them off a couple more times. And then you've got yourself some clean eating grapes.